NCERT syllabus for Class 1, Maths, Chapter 9. Data handling. These children are friends. Count the number of letters in each name word. Names. Number of letters: Salma. Number of letters: 5. Joseph. Number of letters: 6. Arun. Number of letters: 4. Chintu. Number of letters: 6. Geeta. Number of letters: 5. Asha. Number of letters: 4. Subbu. Number of letters: 5. Ahmed. Number of letters: 5. Ravi. Number of letters: 4. How many names have 4 letters? 3 names have 4 letters. Arun, Ravi, and Asha. How many names have 5 letters? 4 names have 5 letters. Salma, Geeta, Subbu, and Ahmed. How many names have 6 letters? 2 names have 6 letters. Joseph and Chintu. How many times S comes in all the names taken together? 4 times. How many times A comes in all the names taken together? 9 times. Data means any information. Data handling means sorting the information according to what is available. Let me explain with the examples. As you can see, we have a sun, mountains, and a house, trees, and a cat. So friends, now let's count the shapes and write the numbers. Now we count triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14 triangles. Now let's count squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 squares. Now let's count rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 rectangles. So what is next left? How many circles are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 circles. Fourteen triangles, 8 circles, 7 squares, 5 rectangles. Name the shapes that occurs the most. 14 triangles occurs the most. Name the shapes that occurs the least. 5 rectangles occurs the least. Well done, kids. For more educational videos, subscribe to Catrack Kids TV.